Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, June 23rd. So I want to go, yay, it's Friday. But remember that Fridays can be really, really hard days, and you don't want to give back all of your winnings for the week. So be extra careful on Fridays. Uh, Fridays have always been really tough days and can continue to be tough days, especially if you've been running well. So what do we got this Friday? Let's see. We've got 9:45. We have Flash Manufacturing PMI and Flash Services PMI, both of which are red items. Red items means, if I hover over that, it says high impact expected on the markets. So 9:45, be aware, two red items are going to be released. Market will react one way or the other. So always be aware of what news is going to be happening so you can anticipate, at least be flat or widen your stops for the extra volatility that comes into the market. Taking a look at the charts, let me get that completely out of the way. On the daily chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and nope, not 5. We had 4 down days, and then we had an up day. So the 5 days in a row did not pan out. The 3 days in a row did not pan out. And now we're starting over again because it can't go any farther because we had an up day today. Where could it go? You can see overnight we're down very, very slightly, but it certainly could come down into this little bit of a low volume node area around 43.85. 43.85 on the downside. Top side probably going to be in that little low volume node right there, 44.53 on the top side. Not much to say there. Looking at the intraday inventory, what do we have here? We have an up day in the market, and what do we have in inventory? We have a down day in the inventory. When one goes up and one goes down, that is called divergent. When we have divergence, that's not good. What does this mean? It means that the move up here, nobody believes it. Nobody believes it. So they continued to sell into it even as price continued to go up. That being said, obviously overnight, starting to look like we are going down. But anytime we have a divergence, that means something's going on. And the move up was certainly not bought into by a lot of people. You'd think that we'd see some buy the dip going on. Not the case. We have selling into the buy momentum here, and then overnight action is to the downside. So possibly could have a down Friday. Actually, I'm going to jump in here with the Stock Traders Almanac because we're talking about a potential down day Friday. It's 47.6% chance the market will be up, which means we have a negative bias to the downside based on the historical Stock Traders Almanac. Looking at the intraday, where do we have support and resistance? Well, we have support and resistance. We have resistance on the top side. 44.42 seems to be a good bit. And you can see we already have a very clustered area right here around 44.25. So 44.25, 44, I'm going to say that 44.42. Then you have to jump up pretty high up to 44.77 before you really get any decent confluence on resistance. Support, on the other hand, support, we've got some support at 44.07. We're above that at this time. We've also got some support around 40, I'm going to say that 43.92, 43.73, and I'm just going to round that up to 43.50 on the bottom side. So again, be careful. It's Friday. Keep your stops in place. Don't give your money back. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day. I'll see you guys on Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.